Today I'm in Blackpool and I'm at the Caledonian Tower Hotel just off North End. Yeah, I booked a double and it comes with breakfast as well. So shall we take a look? Right, so this is the room, as you can see. Right, head straight to the bed. First of all, soft pillows. Well, we've got pillow protectors. It's good. And they're clean as well. Right, let's have a look at the bed. Ooh. So, mattress, mattress encasement and mattress protector as well. And then got this lamp here. Let's see if we can turn it on. Oh, it's like the wire is in there. Got the bedside table and drawer, cupboard, and then we've got this dressing table area. Got the hairdryer there, and then the evacuation thing there. So those drawers, got a bin there. Got small TV for large room. Let's put socket on first. Let's have a look. In the meantime, I'll take a look at these drawers. They're empty. Right, yeah, telly works. Yeah.
Everything about family, about us. And I haven't been able to sleep at night.
And then I've got this big wardrobe. A few hangers in there. And shelf. And chair there. Radiator. Curtains. Looks a bit manky there. Double check this window opens. Yeah. Window opens and now you can see the tower. Sea views down there in the pier. You see whereabouts we are. And then got another chair there. And empty. And got another lamp here. Oh, that one's a tough one. I'm not going to try because that hurts. Then you've got the pictures there. And the full length mirror there. And you've got your bath towel, hand towel, and your mat. Right, let's take a look in the bathroom. Oh, got a bath in here. So yeah, we've got bath. Oh, it's not dirt. We've got bath mat there. And shower. Yeah, it's pretty much clean. Hair and body wash. Toilet roll. Toilet looks clean. Toilet brush. And then we've got a sink there. We've got a shaver's socket and light there. Mirror. And soap. 2 cups there. And a bin there. And a radiator and towel rack. So yeah. Oh, and we've got sanitary bags there as well. And we got the kettle. Yeah, clean. So you got your milk there, coffee, sugars, and in cups as well. They look clean. So yeah, that's the room for the Caledonian Tower. And I've just noticed this reminds me of Travelodge. This is the same design that a Travelodge has. So yeah, so I paid £144 for the Monday to Friday. So I'm just looking how many plug sockets there is. We've got 2 there, 2 there. Yeah, it just looks like it's there only. Yeah, because there's nothing down there either plug socket wise. But yeah, so as I said, £144 for the Monday to Friday, and we are in end of June as well. So yeah, for 4 nights, it's quite good, and there's breakfast included. So hi people, right, this is checkout day. Checkout is at 10 o'clock. My opinion on the place, yeah, not too bad actually. So there was entertainment every evening. I didn't do the entertainment, of course, but like there was singers and all, because when I was coming back, there was always like someone on. Yeah, the only downside is that if you reduced mobility, like wheelchair user and all, it's not a place for you. Even though they have a lift, you got to go up a few stairs to get to the lift. So yeah, it's not a place if you've like in a wheelchair. So, but yeah, another thing is that you're only allowed 2 people in the lift. So when it was check-in, of course, it's there was coach party here checking in at the same time as me on Monday. So of course there was a little queue for the lift, because you're only allowed 2 people per lift, in the lift, shall I say. So there was a little bit of the queue waiting to go up in the lift with the luggage. So yeah, but the breakfast buffet was good. You had choice of porridge, toast, cereal, sausage, bacon, tomato, beans, scrambled egg, hash browns, and also you could order poached egg, fried egg, or boiled egg to order as well. So that was good. I done poached egg, and yeah, it was like quite nice as well. So yeah, you had your teas and coffees, of course, and orange juice, apple juice, and again the staff was so friendly in the restaurant area as well. So yeah, I do recommend this place. And all I said, unless it's like, yeah, it's a little outdated, but it's clean. It's clean. And like I said, the staff are friendly too. So yeah, why can't go wrong. Can't go wrong on this hotel. Like I said, I paid £144 for 4 nights, and that's with the buffet breakfast included. So yeah, I think it's worth the money. So there's like, also actually, before I forget as well, where in the reception area they do have like the coffees, teas, sugars and milks that you can pick up to top up in your own room as well. So because of course they never do enough to some of these hotels anyway, but yeah, you could pick up as you go up to your room and also. But yeah, right, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.